Okay. Hello everyone. Now welcome to this today tutorial. So today is going to be a continuation um of the class that we have been doing. So um we're going to continue the class today. The last time we did class I stopped at working with OBS, how to add easy worship lyrics as a lower third to OBS. So that's where we stopped. The last time we did the class. So we are going to continue from there today. So now, as you can see, I've opened the OBS software, so I'm going to open this worship now. So I'm opening the worship software. Now the software is loading. Now, okay. So we're in the software now. So the last time we did, we created a theme in this worship, which is lower third theme that we're going to be using for presenting, for displaying lyrics on our live stream. So for the sake of those people um that didn't see the class or didn't attend the class, so I'm going to do a recap on that. So I'm just going to remove all these ones. Let me just select both of them. So let me select both of them. So I'm going to delete this one. We are going to create another one. Okay. Now I'm going to click this plus button to create a new theme. Now, so the first thing I'm going to do is that since we are inputting it into our OBS here, since we are inputting it here, okay, I'm going to check the filter, something like this. So if I click on the filter here, so if I click on chroma key, by default it is set to green. So we're going to use green as our background for this worship when we want to display. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on change this black background to green. So since we are going to be using chroma key, then I'm going to click on background here, then fill. I'm going to use color to fill. Then I'll change the color to green. As you can see now, the background is changed to green. So I will close this. So we don't need copyright in our live stream, so I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to resize the text box, as you can see. So I reduce the size of the text box to put it as a method. So we're going to add the title for the thing. I'm just going to use 16 to just represent the thing. So I'll click OK. Now what we're going to do next is that we are going to set it as default song. If I come back to song here, as you can see, let's choose a song like open up. So if I select this, I'm going to come back to my OBS. So this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to add a video input, so which is going to serve as a camera. So I'm going to add that now. Okay, let me add it on that camera too here. So okay, let's see. Okay, click OK. So I'm going to add the video now. Let's see this one. Let's try use this one. So I've had the video. Let me put it on loop. So the video will just continue playing now. So I've added the video. Let me show you guys the video
now.
So here's the video.
Okay.
So as you can see, that's the video now. I just played the video. So we want to add like a lower third to this. So okay. So what I'm going to do now is that since we've had our video, which is that we are using to represent the camera, the next thing we're going to do is that we are going to add the Z worship. So currently I'm using the software, both of the software, both the Z worship and OBS on the same PC. So the same is applicable to different PC, but both of the system must be on the same network before this thing can work. Before adding his worship to OBS can work. So both of them must be on the same network. So currently, both of the software are on the same PC now. So they are using the same network. So what I'm going to do is now is that we are going to add this worship. So I'm going to click on this add button here. So I'm going to click on NDI source. So once I click on NDI source, we are going to OK. Then I'm going to choose our live, as you can see here, live output. If you don't see his worship as live output here, so this might be the problem, which means you have to set it in his worship. So to set that up, come to his worship, then click on edit here, click on option. Once you click on option, make sure that the output monitor is set to NDI. So as you can see here, NDI. Then I'm sending out 1080, which is 25 hertz. So that's what I'm sending out. So make sure, like I said, make sure NDI string is selected. So once you select that, you're going to see it. So now let's go back to OBS. As you can see here, so once you set the output of your worship to NDI, automatically it's going to show up here. So now it's showing up here. I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to center this. You can center this using Control F in OBS. I'm just going to click on Control F. So it's centered. Now, before we continue, as you can see, the text is very small. So I'm going to come back to user worship. That theme that we created, we are going to edit it. So like make the text box bigger, edit something. So select the text box, then increase it a little, then click OK. And let's go back to our song tab. Choose the song again. Let's see. Let's go back to OBS because I don't really want it to be that big. So that's the reason why you have to check, go through it very well before you start using it. So you making the changes until you get the one that suits your needs. Sorry about that. So I'm going to increase the a little bit. So click OK. So I've clicked OK. Now let's check again. So we have a bigger test. So let's see. Okay, now I've seen the problem. So easy worship, in easy worship, if there's a too much text in a particular song, it's going to reduce the size of the song. So what I'm going to do, we are going to edit this song now. So I'm going to right click and click on edit. Sorry about that. Okay. The song is now. Okay. I'm trying to edit the song. I'm okay now. Edit song. So as you can see here, we have a text here that is a little bit bigger. So we are going to like separate them. So okay, I'm separating it using Control plus Enter. So that's the worship Control plus Enter. So if I click OK now, if we go back to, as you can see, the text is now bigger. So that's one of the things we talked about in the class that we did on WhatsApp chat. So I told you that too much text in your easy worship song database can affect your display. So now let's go back to the theme editor. The text is kind of bigger now, so we're going to make changes to that. I'm going to edit the theme, so we will reduce it a little. Let's okay. I think this one is okay. So I will let me go. I'm going to click OK now. Let's check. So I'm going to click on song again. Okay, let's see. Let me display. Let's check it in this worship now. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, it's okay. Now, as you can see in OBS, we still have that green background. So I'm going to remove this now. Let me show you guys how it looks.
Now.
So as you can see now on live output,
Okay.
the easy worship is.
The Lord said to me to sell to this commission
Now
that the month of February is our month.
Now the next thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to remove this green background by using the filter that I showed you the other time. So if you click on filter, click on that particular source, then click on filter. I'm going to resize this window right here. Then click this plus button under effect filter and click on chroma key. So with this chroma key selected, we are going to, as you can see, automatically because it's set to green. So if you choose blue, it's not going to remove the green screen. It's just going to remove anything close to blue in the inside that image. Let's say that we select another color from green. So if you go to, you can choose any color, but make sure you know the color code. So if you choose any color in easy worship now, let's choose another color for our background. So if I click on inspect the background, I change it to, let's say, something like blue. Okay, no, let's see this blue. Okay, normal blue. Let's say I change it to blue. I click OK, I save. So if you go to easy worship here, in OBS here, as you can see. Okay, now let's move to like display it. Okay, to level source. As you can see now, green is selected, but the blue background is still showing. If I want to remove that, I'm just going to select blue. Now you see that everything is gone because there's a little bit of blue inside our text. So what I'm going to do now is that you have to go through all these color first before like go through them how it work before choosing any color. So even if you go to custom color and select blue, let's see, select color, we have the one, I think it's this one. Let's see. Okay, this one doesn't label. The one is this worship label something. So as you can see, I think we choose same blue that we choose in easy worship, but I'm not going to use blue because we might be getting that because of when getting that particular error, like the text is looking faded rather. So I'm going to choose green as our background color. So let's go back to user worship and change that. So I'm going to select green. So okay, so let me select the first layer, first text. So let's select green here. So as you can see, automatically it removed the text. So okay, let me remove this small logo. Now as you can see now, the text is showing. And okay, if I push this to the live output now, as you can see, the text will be showing on the
Okay.
video, as you can see on the video right there.
The Lord said to me to sell to this commission that the month of February is our month and season to shine the light.
So we are going to make it
is our month, is our time, and
so let's go back to his worship. So I'm going to open the his worship. Okay. So I can make the changes in the song itself, and I can make the changes in team editor here. So if I select the text, I can remove the shadow. So let's see outline. Let's check this out. That's how it's going to look. So out of the model, let's see. So let me push it to the live again and see how it is going to look. So okay. As you can see, we really need
the Lord said to me to sell to this commission that the month of February is our month.
Sorry about the volume of the video. So as you can see now, the text color is like it's not showing because of the background. that background video is a little bit light, so we're going to change add the shadow back and the outline. So we are going to come back to this worship again. Edit is something. So let me see if we can reduce the size of the outline. So let's put the outline back. Shadow. So okay, I've removed the shadow, I've applied the outline. So let's click OK and let's go back and see. So I think it's okay now. Let's see. Okay, I think it's kind of okay like this. So you can go back to easy worship, like let me put the software side by side. Okay, so I'm putting the software side by side now. So I'm going to put the worship also here, though you might not see what I'm doing live. I mean what is showing on the video. Okay, so you're like, if you have a bigger screen, you can put these two software side by side, then you can be changing your lyrics here. Or if you have a second screen, you can move the OBS to the second screen, then your easy worship will be on the laptop, so all the PC. So if you, as I'm changing it there, it's changing on the live output also, as you can see here. Let me make it bigger very well. So as you can see here, as I'm making changes in easy worship, so to make this easier, you are going to need a bigger screen or second screen. So I've got a workaround for this also. So there's a software called, okay, let's see, Space Deck. You can just go online, space this. So as you can see, this is the software that I'm talking about. With this software, you can use a mobile phone or tablet as a second screen. So what you're going to do is that, okay, let's do website load. So I'm going to show you what to do. So the website is loading. So on this software, you're going to download you will download the driver for the window, then the software for the system, for the mobile phone or the tablet. So you can get the app on Google Play if you are using Android. You can go to Google Play and download the app. If you are using iPhone also, you can go to the App Store. So you can go to the Apple Store also to get the app. So let's search it now. So let's see it's going to show you space this. So on Google Play, search the same thing, space desk. Sorry about that. So as you can see, here's the app. So if you are using a mobile phone, or if you are using an Android rather, you can download it to your, okay, I can install it to my phone right here. So I'm installing it to my phone now from the PC. So on Apple Store also, as you can see, the app is on Apple Store also. So here's the app. So with this, you're going to set it up. You can check a video online on YouTube about this software. So you can check it online about that software, how to install it, how to set it up with your mobile phone. So you can use the mobile phone as the second screen. So that's it about now. That's just for easy workflow between the easy worship and OBS, so that we won't just be switching us tab every time. But you can try that one also. That's a good work around the banner. So that's how to add um lower third lyrics from Easy Worship to OBS. Now let's talk about Bible. So we've seen some videos online, like some churches, how they display their Bibles. We're going to see that there's a background here. There's going to be a background here. Then the Bible will be shown on top it. So it's also a lower third. So what you're going to do now is, let's create a new theme for our Bible. So we are using this one for songs. So we're going to create another one for Bible. What I'm going to do now is that, okay, let's see. Okay, let's cancel that. So we're in song theme, that's the mistake. So I'm going to come to Bible here, then add and create the Bible theme. As you can see now we're in Bible theme. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use this. Okay, sorry about that one. We're going to move this to lower third, like decrease the size, as you can see here. So inspector. So I'm going to change the background to color fill. So I'm going to use same thing, same color green. So let me close this. So it's not going to look okay like this if you display the scripture. Let's try it. Okay, let's input the title baby plain. So if you set this as the scripture thing, we will come to scripture here. If I display this, if you come to this worship, let me move it to live. As you can see now, you see how it's looking. It's not looking okay. So we are going to add a background to that in this worship. So let's go back to this worship now and come back to theme. Let's edit our theme. Edit scripture theme. So I noticed some things also. Now this is what we're going to do. I'm going to change this color to blue, something like yellow. So I will tell you the reason why I changed it to yellow. So before that, I'm going to add the image background to it also. Let's pick image from this one. So I want to resize the image. So let me just move it like this. Okay, let's use it like that. So but arrange is going to move. I'm going to move send it to the back. Now let's talk about the reason why I choose yellow as the text for the for this one. So the first thing is that text is going to show, like, I use different color for the reference, and I use another color for the Bible text. So the reference is yellow while this one is white. So it's going to differentiate between the text and the reference. So let's see what another thing we can do to the left underline. No, the line is not okay. Italic. Okay, let's see. Okay, I prefer no italic. So let's save this. Okay. So it's already set as the scripture thing. So let's display this. I display this and I come to is your OBS. As you can see now, if I move it to live so that you can see the outcome. So as you can see, that's the outcome. So this will be like a very good one. Let me change put another scripture so that you guys can see how it looks. So I'll put another scripture there. Genesis 1:14. Let's put something like Psalm 100. Try to look for a long Bible, like a long passage book. I've seen one. So this is a long Bible verse. As you can see, as you notice something, the title that we added, that we add color yellow to is not working. So the reason is that the color key that we use to remove the green color is the color green is somewhere close to color yellow. So that's the reason why the test is not showing the color yellow. You can make changes to the color, but if you look at it here in easy worship, if you look at it where in easy worship, you can see that the yellow is showing. So we can make changes to that in our theme, like change the color on the test that is like completely complementary to yellow or anything green. So let's choose another color. What color can we choose? Let's see. Let me see this orange. Let's check this orange first. So let's go back to OBS. Now it's showing. So the color is showing, as you can see now. That color is showing. So that's how to do Bible lower thought in easy worship and adding it to OBS. So I think we should the class should end now. So we're going to continue the class tomorrow. Tomorrow what we're going to talk about is how to use ProPresenter, which means the software ProPresenter with easy worship, and how to live stream also with ProPresenter instead of using OBS. Like if you have the want to be displaying your camera to the screen inside the congregation and also want to be streaming it online, so you can use ProPresenter to achieve that. So tomorrow we're going to learn more about ProPresenter. So we are done about working with easy worship now. So we're going to move to ProPresenter and OBS tomorrow, and ProPresenter only. So we're going to learn these two software tomorrow. That's easy worship and ProPresenter. Okay, now I think I'm going to end the class now. So I really want to say thank you for watching. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell to receive a notification when the class is going on. So that's another one. And also inside the description of this video I've added the link to my Telegram channel. You can join it. So where you have access to some things like some software like VMix, OBS, Easy Worship, and any other, and all those Adobe software also, because we are still going to be learning about Adobe Photoshop, whereby we can be there, whereby we are going to learn how to design our all these just flyer graphics and so on for our live stream and also for displaying. So we're going to be learning the software Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator also. So click the link in the description to join the Telegram channel to have access to all these softwares. So we're going to end the live video now. So I'm saying thank you to everyone. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.